In an era where technology and well-being define modern living, we are redefining the future of interior design. At our facilities, intelligent robotic arms operate with absolute precision, ensuring every detail is flawlessly finished with no blind spots. Combined with advanced wood powder coating and a 250 degrees Celsius thermal treatment, formaldehyde is completely eliminated, creating a surface that is exceptionally durable, water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and antibacterial. Each product is seamlessly coated on all 6 sides, delivering total moisture protection, zero water absorption, and effortless maintenance. Our manufacturing process strictly follows a 3-0 commitment: zero wastewater, zero toxic emissions, and zero chemical solvents, protecting both people and the planet. We deliver the highest E0 standard, odorless, safe, and ready for healthy living from day one. Step into a new standard of interiors, where clean technology meets uncompromised